Guys, gather around, listen up. Life is so much better here. Life is freaking awesome in the tropics. It's so much easier to be happy, energetic, healthy in this kind of environment. Surprise, surprise! Mr. Base Science was right again. But we still have to do a little science break. Science break, guys. Oh man, real science, based in reality science. Feels so goddamn good. Just like the 1 month I have been here in the tropics. I have not felt this good in a long time. I feel about 10 years younger, just in 1 month. Everything. Like, why people get interested about health, this kind of stuff, it's because they want to feel better. They want to feel more happy. They want to feel more energetic, that they have more life force, more vitality. And this is exactly what I have been feeling maximally here for a 1 month. Every single day, pretty much. And it's just going. We were at the beaches, the Pacific Ocean for 2 weeks. Now we have been 2 weeks at the volcano, active volcano. Is this the end of the experiment? Are we gonna do some more science? Who knows? Subscribe, share it with everybody, follow along, because this is some of the best information you can get, some of the best knowledge you can get on YouTube, on internet about health. Some of that real knowledge. None of that wanted to sell you some bullshit supplements, some bullshit ass programs just to take your dollar bills out of your pocket to make my pockets bigger. None of that shilling and pimping shit. This is just nature. Nature at its finest. This is nature cooking with gas. With that nitric oxide, boy. Yeah. I have gotten a lot more fit in 1 month just by accident, because I feel so much more energy. So I want to do more stuff. I even started to exercise again, like a little bit. But I'm just so much more active here because I feel so much more energy. So I want to spend that energy somehow. It's super easy to feel happy when you have energy. My mood has been insanely good. My sleep has been the best. Except in this place, it has not been the best. But all the 3 places before this place, it was the best. In this place, it's still been pretty good. My skin has been absolutely amazing. My libido. I've been eating those raw bull, not raw and cooked bull testicles quite a bit here. Some of those avocados. The best eggs I have ever had. I had some of the best eggs here. Some of that seafood, fresh from the sea. The red snapper, the tuna. The meat is some of the best meat also I have ever had. And the prices have been extremely good. Also the selection of meats is way better. You can get the bull testicles, you can get all kinds of organs, you can get it all here. So the food quality has been amazing, obviously, because the animals living in this environment are way healthier than the animals that live in Finland. That's pretty freaking obvious. So even the food has been better. And I have been way more laxed, chill about the food. In Finland, I was doing everything freaking perfect. I was a freaking nutrition ninja. I did all the right things. Here, I don't even do all the right things. I drink coffee here. I've even had some chocolates here that I never eat chocolate in Finland. But chocolate grows here, so I was like, I'm gonna have some. I've had some fruits, obviously, some plantains cooked in ghee. I even did 7 days on rice and beans. So obviously I have not done the perfect things when it comes to nutrition. And still, the results are light years better than in Finland, doing all things correctly. Mr. Base Science right again, because I said nutrition is not as important in a good environment. Still, if you're gonna still do only eat rice and beans cooked in seed oils and some plantains, if that's the only thing you eat, you're gonna grow as tall as the average height of the Costa Ricans. So obviously, I still do most of the things right. And that right there, oh, is it little hazy, the camera? Who gives a fuck? Who frigging... Well, whatever. You can still see me, you can still hear me. The sunlight is just insanely good here. Insanely good. The people are very hospitable and friendly. Now I will say this, the tourists, especially the American tourists that I see in some of these places quite a bit, they kinda stick out. Their energy, their mood kinda sticks out like a sore thumb. They don't fit in the bunch, if you know what I mean. So I would stay away from most of the touristy places to avoid that kind of energy and just feel the energy of the local people and some of the OG tourists. So go for the places a bit outside of the beaten path, so to speak, where nature rules and you get more authentic experiences. That's all I'm gonna say about that. Now one thing I will also say about the LIBIDO thing, this is when I've been here, this is the most natural my libido has felt, like probably ever. Like I find all the unnatural things people use to get off, like the corn, that type of stuff. This is the most disgusting I have found that stuff ever. I have zero interest about it. I have no interest looking at that stuff, and it just kinda disgusts me. Even though my libido is extremely high here. So that's been something I have noticed, observed about myself. It has not been this strong ever before. But here, my libido is sky high, but I feel all the unnatural things, like I said, people get off. On the pixels on the screen, I find them absolutely disgusting. I find that incredibly positive. So this far, 1 month in, Tropics All Day, outside all day in a tropical environment, I gotta say, this shit is for real, for real. Start thinking getting your ass over here. Especially if you got some health problems. This is the only real way to heal without all of the man-made medications and supplements that all have side effects that actually will ruin your health in the end. This is the only way to actually reverse the diseases and heal and get better, get actually better. And even if you don't have any problems, this is the only way I think you can feel your best. Like, I feel my best. Like, when you know you feel your best. And I think it's even gonna go, if we're gonna continue the experiment, I think it's gonna go like this even longer. But I just feel so euphoric. And I don't use that word in a corny sense. I really mean it. Like, I just feel so goddamn good every single day here. Like a paradise, like a heaven on earth. Like, this is how nature intended human beings to feel. And that's why I said the American tourists especially, but also some of the other tourists from Europe or whatever, they kinda stick out. Also some of the pale Costa Ricans, they kinda stick out. But the OG, the tanned Costa Ricans, they full of that Pura Vida, boy. Pura Vida based. Pura Vida is real. Pure life is real over here. Yeah. If you got any questions, leave your comments. And get your ass over here. Life is freaking fantastic over here. No joke. I'm being for real, for real. Come get some of this. Come get some of this. Because it feels fucking good.